Done with today's jog. It feels really nice to be able to go to that extra, not kilometers but actually meters, but it feels really nice. If I talk about the first day, it was like not even a kilometers, maybe a few hundred meters. I don't remember the exact, but I think it was 700 or 900 meters. And today I crossed 3.5 kilometers. So yeah, that's a nice feeling. अगर मैं स्टार्ट नहीं करता तो मुझे मालूम नहीं चलता कि I can go up to 3.5 kilometers. It's the third week. Second week was a drag. It was my mistake. मैंने चीज़ों को forefront पे नहीं रखा, मैंने चीज़ें प्लान नहीं की. It was my mistake, not anyone's fault. But this week is really nice, and on Saturday or Sunday I'm planning to do 4 kilometers. I'm not really bothered about the pace. Actually इतना अच्छा है भी नहीं pace जो मैं उसके बारे में bother करूँ. But ठीक है, I want to do it in an hour, under an hour, 5 kilometers. Let's do that. And उसके बाद hip joint is really bothering me. काफ़ी ज़्यादा stiff है. I think I should take out at least 10 minutes each morning to work on it. Maybe take out 20 minutes, 10 minutes for my thorax and 10 minutes for my hip. It will decrease the stiffness throughout the day and it will help me move better in the evening. So Saturday 4 kilometers, Wednesday will be active rest, kal. Thursday I'm planning to do 3.75 and Friday maybe rest or maybe 3.75, then 3.9, and hopefully by Sunday, maybe on Saturday or maybe on Sunday, I will touch 4 kilometers. So for the last week it will be extra 1 kilometer. That's it. My phone will stop. Thank you. Bye. The last run was I think 3.5 kilometers. Today was 3.75, 3.77 to be exact. इस वीक में 4 किलोमीटर टच करना है. Tomorrow is a social commitment, so I don't think कल तो हो पाएगा. But either on no, Saturday is good day. Let's see. On Saturday we will touch 4K. 4K होकर रहेगा. Last run of the week done, so that this makes it 4th for the week. कहा था 4 किलोमीटर टच करूँगा, हो गया 4 किलोमीटर. एट द एंड ऑफ थर्ड वीक अगले हफ्ते के लिए 1 और किलोमीटर, टोटल 5. अगले हफ्ते के लिए एक्चुअली 5 तो एक बार टच करना होगा, उसका 5 एक बार और करना होगा जस्ट टू कन्फर्म इट कि हाँ 5 कर सकते हैं ना. One thing which I have learned this week is that you will have to decide कि करना क्या है. If you don't name your goal, for example for me this was running 4 kilometers in this week, so clear goal and a clear deadline, that makes it more achievable instead of a random कि ये करूँगा, कब करूँगा भाई, क्या करेगा, कितना करेगा. So मेरा था कि 5 किलोमीटर में से 4 किलोमीटर इस हफ्ते फिनिश करना है. सेकेंड वीक में यही गलती हुई थी. सेकेंड वीक में मैंने डिफाइन नहीं किया था कि क्या करना है, कितना करना है, कब करना है, इसलिए कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. सेकेंड वीक अगर मैं सही से करता तो 5 तो नहीं बट आई मस्ट हैव क्रॉस्ड, तो फिर मैं 4 जरूर क्रॉस कर देता. इट मस्ट बी 4.25, इट मस्ट हैव बिन 4.25 और 4.5, आई डोंट नो, बट इससे ज़्यादा होता. कोई नहीं, जो निकल गया उसका रिग्रेट क्या करना. So So 5 kilometer for this 4th week.